Hey, what's up, guys? Back to the bedroom. This is the end of week 8 of trading. It was quite a stable week, not a lot of action. Took 3 trades in total, banked the money. So, if you guys want to learn more about how I trade every single day, the types of setups I find, and the types of setups that will yield the highest possible returns, please continue to watch this video, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and comment on the comment section so then I know exactly what you guys are looking for, okay? So before we dive into this channel, I just want to say that the past few weeks have been a hella ride. As a student, I've been doing almost lots and lots of work until 1:30 a.m. almost every single day, and so I'm tired. It's difficult on this trading journey to document every single week my strategy, my setups, and why I trade particularly. It's hard to also show my losses out in public because it's quite personal, and the fact that is I'm showing these losses to you because I want to keep myself accountable to this journey and in this journey. And these few months has been tough. It's been tiring. It's been emotional as well. But I believe March and the upcoming next few weeks and months would completely change for me. I believe that. I can feel it. And so I hope you guys, wherever you're watching this, you guys can feel it as well. So stay tuned. Let's jump in to the weekly review. Hello. Welcome to this week's trading recap. So this week was a pretty slow week, given that we only had 3 trades for the whole week on these 5 days. Took 2 trades on the 2nd of March at the US Canadian dollar as well as the US Japanese yen. 1 trade the next day afterwards on the Australian US dollar, and we made a total profit around $50. Yeah, just a small amount, nothing too much. But it really goes to show, trading is not as simple as you guys may think, and it's a long journey, and we gotta understand that the real reason why we trade is because of money. That's the only reason why we trade, right? I mean, why do we invest? Why do we trade? It's money. It's to gain the financial capital to use that money as a liquid cash, a liquid asset to do something with it, to do something good in this world, to exchange a particular service or product that you've always wanted. And so money is a key to living a good life. And let's just not lie to ourselves that money don't bring happiness. Money does bring happiness. So this week was a tough week because we only had 3 trades. Generally, we would have more, around 6 or 7 or 8, but 3 is considered quite slow. But I think the speed will pick back up in this coming week. So stay tuned for more trades and profits if you guys want to know. Okay, so let's jump in. USD Canadian dollar. So this was a very interesting trade. Last week, the week before, I saw this huge uptrend followed by a sideways consolidation before prices went all the way back up. This is a trend setup that we identify almost every single day, and what we do is that we draw a volume. Once we identify this price action, we draw a volume profile to see where the heaviest volume is located. And based on this chart, the heaviest volume was right here, 133.62. And at 133.62, when prices come back down and touch this level, it would bounce up by more than 10 pips. So you see 133.62 to around 133.76. So we make a 10 pip take profit, easy 3% gain on overall capital. The reason why these trades work is because institutions are buying right here. And I believe that as prices come back down and retest this level, these institutions will be protecting their buy orders, causing the prices to go back up, or at least make an attempt to move the price upwards before it comes down. So that's very, very important. The next one we have is USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen. We scroll back to this level. It's quite hard to see, so let me just scroll back a little more. Okay. Okay. Right. What do you see? So prices came up, consolidated, and then made a huge downturn. We call this a volume accumulation. It is another setup we tend to find. So in total, we find 3 setups, and this is the second setup in our daily reviews and in the setups we tend to trade on a daily basis. So because we see there's an accumulation in volume here, we draw the price. We draw the volume profile across this region, and what do we find? We find that there's heaviest volume right at this level at 108.52. At 108.52, we believe that as prices went back and test this level, it's going to go down. But interestingly, prices broke this level, yeah, from 25 to around 46 by more than 10 pips. And when prices do that, when you see this giant opposite candle towards the original trading direction, you will always take a loss. So I took a loss, a 10 pip loss as the price came up. But then oftentimes we can wait for price to retest this level, so then we can expect another uptrend and a rally that goes up. We call this the reversal trade. Unfortunately, I did not take this reversal trade because I thought there was already significant movement. But then this really goes to show that if I took this trade, there wouldn't have been a loss. I would have recovered all my losses. So it's a loss, a $300 loss, much bigger than expected because I forgot to place my stop loss. But I think that next time will come around. Last trade of the week: Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, why was this a good trade? Why did we make money? Well, over here there was a volume accumulation. Prices came back down. Right here, prices came all the way down. Down. This was at a 95.5. That's 85.50. Give me a second. Right. Okay. Alright, so this level, I did not trade that level. Alright. Push back. Okay, so there was a significant volume accumulation right here during the last week. And so if we draw a volume accumulation right here, we would find out that there is heavy volumes at this price point. At this level. Now, because there's heavy amount of volume, usually we have a tested level, but since it wasn't tested, this level didn't really matter. So what really happened was that prices shot up because there was a significant Australian news. And during macroeconomic news, we don't trade because it causes a lot of volatility in the market. We'll wait for prices to come back down, retest this level, and bounce in the opposite direction. And this is what happened. Dropped down to 95 and then pushed all the way back up to 15. A 10 pip take profit, good opportunity, good trade. So this is pretty much the whole weekly review. There's nothing really much that's going on, so I hope you guys enjoyed the weekly review. I know it's not as sexy as and fun, only watching these winning highlights, but I hope you guys understand that this is the real life of trading. It's mathematical, it's unemotional, and sometimes it gets tough because you just gotta embrace the losses. I'm growing this channel slowly and steadily, and I hope you guys could be a part of this journey with me. So without further ado, I'm just gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, like, comment on this video if you have any questions, and I hope to see you guys soon. Peace out.